I have to pick up my daughter. She sees me. She sees me pushing this. Oh, my beautiful kitty. Do you have a home or what? Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I swear, I want to take you home. You have an owner? You're so beautiful. You're so pretty. I gotta go now. I gotta pick up my daughter, sweetheart. Aww. You're so beautiful. Wish I could find out if you have an owner or not. You're so pretty, kitty. I gotta go. Aww. You are so beautiful. I'll see you later. Look at all the beautiful colors of fall. Look at the trees, sweetie. It's so beautiful. Look at that doggy. Oops. Hello. Oh, baby doggy. I don't know what to call him. Maybe we call him Brownie? Oh, look at that. He was just sailing. There's a chicken. There's a chicken. Oh my god. Oh, it went inside the fence. They have a bunch of chicken in there. Oh, there it is. There it is. Come on, again. Go. How do you call a chicken? I don't know how. But that is cute. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Look at that chicken. Can you see the chicken?
Yeah, I see a chicken.
Look at that chicken. It's a hen, sweetie. It's a female chicken. Now I'm gonna try to. They have a bunch of chicken in there, but this one is the naughty one. She goes out of the fence. Oh my gosh. Can I? We better go. Oh, they have a lot in there. It's so cute. It's really rare to see a chicken in here, but look at that. There's a hen.
What's her name, Doctor?
You want to name the chicken? What about we call her Daisy? Yeah, I wish we see Daisy again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daisy. How do you call a chicken? I don't know, but gets their attention. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that a lovely hen? Ain't that a lovely hen that we see there? Oh, she got scared. Bye-bye.